So today, we'll create a contact us section with a form component. First, let's create a contact component. So under the components folder, create a new file, contact.jsx. Let's create a functional component. So add export default function contact. Add return. Inside, add a div with the class block. Then add contact text for now. Then let's import them in home.jsx. So at the top, import contact from components/contact. At the bottom, add the contact tag. Check the preview and we can see the component. Then let's add this title and a subtitle. So open React Bootstrap, click Get Started, Layout, Grid. Copy the import of container, row and col and paste them at the top of contact.jsx. Then copy the container tag and paste them inside the div. Copy the title and paste them in the s2 tag. Then copy the subtitle and paste them in the p tag. To keep everything at the center, in the col tag, add the class text-center. Check the preview. Now we can see the title and a subtitle. Now let's add this form. We also need to validate the form when we click on the submit button. So on the left side, click Forms, Form Controls. We need to copy the import of form and paste them at the top. Now copy the form tag. Since we need 2 columns, add a row tag. Let's also add some margin bottom. So I will use MB-4. Add the col tag. To add the first name, I will copy this form control and paste them here. I will change the type to text and placeholder to first name. Then copy and paste this col tag. Type text is fine. In the placeholder, add last name. Check the preview and we can see first and last name. Now let's add email, phone, message at the submit button. So copy this row tag and paste them 3 times. Change the type to email and placeholder text to email. Now change the type to tel and placeholder to phone. For the text area, we need to add as text area and number of rows. So copy and paste them over here. Add the placeholder to message. Remove this call tag since we don't need them. Finally, let's add the submit button. So add the button tag with the text submit and type submit. Import button at the top. Take the preview. We also need to remove the last name. So remove this call tag. Looks good now. Let's validate the form now. So click validation. First, we need to add required in every form control. So let me add them. Then we need to add the state and this function. So copy both of them and paste them before the return. Import useState at the top. Finally, add these attributes and paste them in the form tag. Take the preview and it works. Now let's style them. For this subtitle, I will increase the text and add some margin. Then add some padding in these input boxes. So open common.scss, add form dot form dash control. Here add padding 10px 20px. Then add dot subtitle, add font size 18px, margin bottom 60px. Now we need to add the subtitle class in the p tag. Take the preview. Now it looks exactly the same as in the design. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create a client section with a grid component. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.